Guys, welcome back. I just wanted to show you a quick update on the Lightning. You can see the contrast in the colors that it's starting to create, the wrap, the matte, the gloss red. It all blends together really nicely and it gives it a different pop, you know, and that's why people wrap their vehicles, is to give it a different look than factory. It even helps like the emblem stand out a little bit. That blue really pops against the matte black, and it seems like it was meant to be this way. That's what we go for, you know, is just a factory finish with a little bit of a custom look. So we got a lot of these going on. I can't wait to give you like a full walk around of this. It's not quite ready. We're working on one little thing back there. I don't want to ruin the surprise. So we'll get that tidied up. We'll go check out some things in the other shop. We'll head over there real quick and I'll show you what else we got going on. Hey guys, we're at the tint shop. I was going to show you what's going on. We got a few things going on like always, but it's a little light day, so just a little bit of light work. We just finished an evolved tint job on this Ford Fusion. So tints for like any type of vehicle, you know. And we do a lot of high-end cars. We do a lot of regular cars. This is just somebody that wants some protection on like their regular vehicle, you know. And it's a nice little car. These hybrids are good to get around with. It had some kind of cheaper tint on it. We took it off and put our Evolve, which is the highest end film we sell. It blocks like 95% of IR energy, so it's a really high quality film. Andre's been finishing that up. What we're doing over here is always fun. I always like doing this. Today's this lady's birthday, and she's getting stripes on her Durango for her birthday. She's also in law enforcement, so we're doing a combination. We're doing this is called Satin Perfect, and we're doing a Satin Perfect stripe blue with black on the outside. So when you see it done, you'll see the finished product. Right now, he's just getting this base stripe down. And this is something you could do on any vehicle. Like you could put stripes. I mean, I've done stripes on every type of vehicle. And there's all kinds of different ways. There's dual rally, single, you know, this is like a single with two accents is what we would call it. So it's gonna have one stripe in the middle and an accent color to make it pop on the outside. She's gonna love it. She's so excited. She was literally jumping, getting ready for this today. I love how energetic people get when we're customizing their vehicle. Like, it's my favorite thing, honestly. When she picks it up, we did one of her friend's car and she was like, I want to like my friend's car, but I want it different. I just don't know what I want. And so we helped her figure it out today. So you'll get to see the finished product here shortly. It's pretty cool. It's going to be all the way over the roof and all the way down the bumper. So it should be pretty cool. And let's see what else we got going on. Oh, we're doing like a little C7 Corvette over here. We can go check that out real quick. Make our way through here. This is our next little paint protection ceramic coating project we're working on. We're gonna do front bumper paint protection film. So that's important. These get damaged right here. And if you don't have some type of protection on there, eventually you're gonna take a rock chip. So this one's in really good shape. And they want to protect it, so we're going to get it on there for them. It should be no big deal. Like I've done 1,000 Corvettes, so this should be a pretty easy project for us. So we'll do that and maybe some mirrors, and we'll do a 5-year ceramic pro coating on it. So when you see it, it'll be all super shiny, wet looking, all the usual stuff you see at Sho-Me Tint, and just a little bit of fixer upper. You know, it's a nice car, so it's easy when you start with a nice car to make it nicer. You know. Let's see, what we got going on in the other shop? We probably got a few projects up there I got hiding out, so we'll go check those out real quick. Guys, I wanted to show you something real quick. So we've been making these signs over here for the road. Once we put them all together, it's gonna be a big Sho-Me Tint sign. I'm so excited about this. I kind of mentioned in one of the videos before that I've been wanting to put this road sign up for a while. And it's like 13 feet by like 8 feet, I think, or something ridiculously big, which is pretty much as tall as me. You can probably tell. It's about the same. Like, hope it doesn't fall over. So the guy's coming to hang these up tonight. It's a double-sided deal. So one of the things that I always get when people come in the shop, they're always like, oh, I didn't know you did paint protection, or I didn't know you did wraps. And I'm always like, I'm not doing my job right, obviously. Because you should know that I do this stuff. And so now we'll have another little road sign that says it's out by the road, you know. And we also threw one together for our neighbor Carmel. He's always helping us out anytime we get in overhead with electronic stuff. He does like our remote starts and stereos and stuff like that. And I think it's a pretty hip sign we kind of threw together, you know. We're gonna put it out there too. So one of the things I wanted to show you is our distributors, Suntech, because we're like a premier shop or whatever. They like threw us a new plotter. So this thing is really big. So they say size doesn't matter, but when it comes to plotters, it doesn't. We can like cut out a whole side of a car at one time. So once I get this all together, I'll show it to you working. Our other one was 40 inches. This is like 60 inches. So we'll be able to like plot patterns is what we call it. Well, I've kind of showed you a little bit about that, but it's how we cut our kits out for cars, and we do paint protection more accurately. This is just going to help us do a better job of making bigger pieces more efficient for the film, which is going to be super cool. Like geeky paint protection stuff, I love this stuff. I'm so excited. I'm more excited about this than probably most of the stuff we're doing today. But we got a lot of cool stuff happening this week, and I can't wait for you to see it all together. You're kind of right in the middle of it right now, and once we unveil everything, it's going to be super awesome. So I'll let you think about that until next time.